Hello and welcome to the Big Ideas Art Studio. My name is Mrs. Mack, and in this video I'm going to show you how to draw people using simple, basic shapes. So grab all your drawing supplies and let's get started. Okay, so I have a little sheet here to help walk me through this, and you'll notice that the first step here is an oval. So I am drawing with a pencil, and I encourage you to start with a pencil too. That way, if you make a mistake, you can erase it. And also, once we get to the end here, you're probably going to want an eraser so that you can erase some of these lines and kind of connect some of these shapes together. Next step, we have a square. Okay, and notice that I have my shapes overlapping. Right? So I have a square on top of my oval here. And again, this eraser is going to come in handy because at the end I can erase some of the lines that I don't need anymore. Next is a rectangle for the torso. Okay. Two other rectangles, one on each side of my first rectangle, will give me arms. And I'm going to start those rectangles close to the corners, the top corners of my first rectangle. And again, make them overlapping. On this side. Two more for the legs, a little bit longer than the arms. Two small rectangles for the feet. And I like to use circles for the hands to start. Okay, so once I have this, I'm then going to use my eraser and I can kind of erase those lines that I don't need. So the areas where my shapes are overlapping. And from here, I can go ahead and add details to complete my person. to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future art lessons. I would also love to see your people. So have a grown-up take a photo of your person, your people, and upload it to Instagram. Make sure to tag me at the Big Ideas Art Studio. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.